What up, y'all? We back at it with Occultism Unleashed. And the question for today is, why planetary magic? Why planetary magic? Well, if you value anything that the ancients said, you know that they say, as above, so below. That which is found in the heavens is reflected in mankind. So when you look at your astrological chart, as above, it's giving you a blueprint, a snapshot, a workbook, a user manual to the energy manifested in your soul at the time that you took your breath. So astrology, your natal